Arch Linux and Kali Linux are both powerful Linux distributions, but they serve different purposes. Arch focuses on a minimalist, customizable environment for experienced users, while Kali is tailored specifically for security professionals needing a ready-to-use penetration testing platform. Arch Linux is a lightweight, flexible Linux distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It uses a rolling release model, providing the latest software updates continuously. Arch is known for its simplicity in design but requires manual setup and configuration, making it ideal for users comfortable with Linux internals. The Arch Wiki is a comprehensive resource that supports users in customizing their system extensively, from installing a minimal base to building a highly tailored environment. Strengths include its cutting-edge software availability, vast customization options, and a strong community for support. However, its steep learning curve and lack of pre-installed tools mean it's less suitable for beginners or those needing quick deployment. Arch Linux is best for users seeking a clean slate to build a secure system from the ground up, prioritizing control and learning over convenience. Kali Linux is a Debian-based distribution specifically created for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and security research. It comes preloaded with hundreds of security tools for vulnerability assessment, digital forensics, and network analysis. Kali's design focuses on ease of use for security professionals, offering a ready-to-go environment that supports live booting and installation. Its strengths lie in the extensive toolkit, official support for ARM devices, and frequent updates to maintain the latest exploits and security patches. Limitations include a larger system footprint and the fact that it's not intended for general purpose use or daily computing. Kali assumes users have a fundamental understanding of security concepts in Linux. For those focused on cybersecurity tasks, Kali provides a comprehensive platform without the need for manual tool installation, streamlining the workflow for penetration testers and ethical hackers. When comparing Arch Linux and Kali Linux for security, the choice depends on your goals. Arch offers a customizable minimal base where you build your security setup, perfect for learning in tailored environments. Kali provides a specialized pre-configured toolkit optimized for penetration testing, saving time for professionals needing immediate access to security tools. Arch's rolling updates ensure you have the latest software but require active maintenance and Linux expertise. Kali's focused design trades off general usability for specialized security functions, making it less suitable for everyday use. If you want a secure system built from scratch with complete control, Arch is ideal. If your priority is a comprehensive, ready-to-use security platform, Kali is the better fit. Choose Arch Linux if you want full control over your system, enjoy customization, and are comfortable setting up your own security environment from the ground up. Opt for Kali Linux if you need a specialized security toolkit out of the box for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Its preloaded tools and ease of deployment make it the top choice for cybersecurity professionals focused on efficiency and effectiveness.